Yeah, I just want to record this meeting so that I can upload it later. It's our online info session event, and we wanted to make it online because at the right moment, we have students who are on campus and remote, and we wanted to make sure that everyone can have the same access and so that we can provide the same experience. And it's a very casual meeting. We're just gonna chat, you can ask questions. So that is why we decided to go with online. And now let's take a look at the agenda or what we're going to discuss. So the agenda for today's meeting is to learn everything about our club, get to know the team more, and as I already said, we want to have an open Q&A with you. If you have questions, ideas, or suggestions, feel free to unmute and just talk and offer your thought. And at the end, as promised, if some of you guys follow us on social media, we promised to have a very fun game with a prize for a winner at the end. We're gonna have one winner at the end of our presentation and at the end of the game, and that winner is gonna get a t-shirt with our print. It's a t-shirt, it's available in some colors, but we're gonna have one winner, and that winner is gonna get this t-shirt with a print of Google Developer Student Club. So stay with us till the very end in order to have some fun and play the game. All right, so now let's start the presentation. And the first point, the first thing that we want to talk about right now is what are Google Developer Student Clubs? Because you might have understood that our club, let's say, is a little bit special because it's not just supported by AUCA, it's also supported by Google developers. So I think this is the right time for you to tell more about what kind of connection Google has to our club, okay? So Google Developer Student Clubs, or the abbreviation we use is GDSC. It's a program presented by Google developers. Google Developer Student Clubs are university-based community groups for students interested in growing as a developer or becoming one. So there are over 700 clubs in 116 countries. So that means all over the world. Again, if you followed us on social media before, we share some videos how other communities, they build solutions for local community, how they build projects together, and how it helps the university-based community of groups of people. So if you want to learn more, you can always check, and as I said, you can join us as contributors. And now let's talk about what is AUCA Google Developer Student Club. AUCA Google Developer Student Club is a new chapter on our campus, and we are a part of that global network of Google Developer Student Clubs. Some of you might know that at the moment in our country, there are 2 Google Developer Student Clubs, and one of each is ours. And we're absolutely sure that we will be seeing other University of Kyrgyzstan launching more and more chapters in the upcoming year. We think that it's gonna be so amazing to have that network of Google Developer Student Clubs in Kyrgyzstan, and we can collaborate always together. So it's always fun to have more chapters in Kyrgyzstan. So we can't wait to see that. Applications are open. So if you have friends who are at other universities, please tell them that applications are open and they can apply. And if they get selected, they can lead those university-based community groups at their own universities, and again, become a part of the global network of clubs. I think it's a nice chance. If you have friends, please let them know. And now we're going to talk about values, or why we try to do all of that. I think Oybek is going to share this, right?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
First of all, hello everyone. I'm very happy to have you all. My name is Oybek. I'm from Uzbekistan and I'm a sophomore in the software engineering department. So I'm just talk about why it's important and then the values of this club. First of all, we consider that the education knowledge is a power. And now these days, without education, we cannot like imagine our life. So this is such common thing we can hear every day. But technically, that's the right thing. In the future, we know every field will be connected with technology. That's why we want to emphasize this power and technology in the life of AUCA students. And then this club plays an important role to share this knowledge, interest among students. So we're gonna create such an environment which is gonna be sincere, friendly among students. And then they're gonna share their knowledge with others. And then this will be the place, everyone can come together with any questions, experiences, and then share in the one place to get what they want. So that's like short view of our club. So
Yes.
can we go to the next one?
Oh, sorry. Yep.
So the goals here. So actually, this club doesn't mean that any student from any background can come to our club. It doesn't like specifically say if you are a software student or a student with a background who are interested in, for example, programming languages. No, there is no such limit. If you are a student in psychology department, in journalism, but you have a passion to learn about this like stuff about being a developer, then you're welcome to join our club because we create such an environment. You can come and feel yourself free to learn everything. And then we try to, for example, as a software student, as a software engineer students, we try to help you to go these steps smoothly. And then that's actually the plan. And then we try, to give more like attention to the soft hard skills, which is gonna be beneficial for your career. Actually, in the future, everything will be connected to IT, and then you will be required to know something in this field. So it's gonna be much, how to say, professional, profitable for yourself. So that's it. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yes. So we now talked about our values, our goals, what we want to do. And now a very important part, for whom we are trying to do all these and from whom. So it's for you guys, for any undergraduate or graduate program students interested in Google developer technologies or growing as a developer. So anyone is welcome, as it was already stated. So it's for you guys, for our community of developers and future to be developers, future to become developers. And it is done by our core team. It's done by our core team. And the core team is what makes everything possible. We try to work hard and combine our assignments, tasks, to-do lists with also studies, with exams. So core team is really trying hard to make things possible, to organize everything. And now it's time to get to know more about our core team members. And if your friends joined, you guys know them, but there are also people who may not know them. And it's going to be a very nice opportunity to learn more about ourselves. Here's me. I have not introduced myself yet. I'm Sol. I am a Google Developer Student Club lead of this AUCA Google Developer Student Club. And I'm a sophomore student at the moment, and I come from software engineering department. I want to just go through some fun facts about myself. So the first fact that I already shared with my core team is that I doubt a lot. I have many doubts. about everything, about very little details even. And I analyze, I question, and I doubt. It sounds like it's good to be called critical thinking, but sometimes it can harm, sometimes it's good. So that's one of the things that I already that I have in my mind, because I do that quite often. And the second fact is that it happened quite recently, is that I'm obsessed with Roger Federer. He's a Swiss tennis player. So I love everything about him. I love everything he does. And I'm just being quite obsessed with him. And that's the second fact. And the third is that I love extraordinary people. I love smart people. I love passionate people who follow their curiosity. It's super, super important to know that I really do love people who follow their curiosity, who may not follow the standards, and who follow their curiosity, who can take risks. And I think they're super, super inspiring. And when I'm around them, I always feel like that I'm learning something. And it always feels amazing when I get to meet them. So yeah, those are the facts. And why did I apply to be a lead of, and why did I start this club? Why did I initiate this? Well, it all happened back in spring of 2021, several months ago. I applied, and in my motivation letter, I stated why I wanted to initiate this club. Well, the first reason was that there was no sense of community since I was a freshman last year, and since it was fully online, it was so hard to feel connected to some people. There was no sense of community, and I felt that a lot. There was no support in terms of socialization, and that was my main motivation. That was my main reason. And also the second thing, which is followed by the first reason, is that I wanted to provide support. I wanted to provide knowledge, inspiration, guidance to students. And when I see freshmen now of this year, I think they can feel good, or they can feel supported just by seeing that there are some other students who are working in order to feel them supported. So I'm very happy and I'm very proud of at least initiating this club. And I hope that with our core team, we can do a lot of stuff, and we can inspire people, we can guide people, and we can provide knowledge. So yeah, it was really hard to get started, but it's a very nice challenge for me and for whole core team. So yeah, and the third thing is that when I finished my semester, when I finished my academic year last year, I mean in May of this year, what I realized is that I studied and I survived and I got a decent GPA, and that's the only thing that I remember from my semester. Of course, it might be my personal case, but that's how I feel all the time. When semester finishes, I feel like, all right, I survived my exams, I survived deadlines. Yes, I was more resilient than others, or maybe vice versa. Yeah, I got a GPA, but that's kind of it. So I didn't want to spend my academic year, which is 9 months, just to try to survive. And again, I also wanted to follow my curiosity and to take on this challenge. So that is how I got to initiate and start this club, applying. And of course, I got through interviews, and now we're here. So yeah, this is some information about me as a Google Derby Student Club lead. And now we're gonna introduce Bihruz.
So, hello everyone. My name is Behruz Amonbekov, and I think some of you might know me, but for those who don't know, I'm a sophomore at AUCA, also from software development, software engineering department. And fun fact about me, well, I am a very lazy person, but every time I every time I get inspired, or every time I get interested in something, I try to make my best. I try to give all of myself for that. So this is the fun fact about me. And also the reason why I joined this club is because my main no, I'm a very introvert person. I don't really like talking with someone. I hate I hate communications, but I joined this club because I know this is not a good feature of me. So I wanted to overcome this. I wanted to solve this problem of me, and I want to grow. Also, I want to see new people. I want to meet new people, and you know, uh, take something from you. For example, from our core team, from our follows or something like that, and give also something. I like to contribute to people, and also I like to contribute to some common thing we do together. And this is the perfect opportunity for me to uh, you know to share something and also to receive something. So that's it about me. I think that's be enough.
Nice. Thank you for sharing that. Oops. And now we have Islam. Are you here, Islam? Oh, just a moment. Your camera is off. That might mean. Can you talk? Oh, I think we can get back to you a little bit later after a few slides, okay? Okay. Sapar Murat.
Oh, hello guys. My name is Sapar Murat, and I'm a software engineering student, and I'm sophomore. And talking about myself, I'm a big fan of Linux and free and open source software. And also at high school, I participated in competitive programming. So once I even managed to reach Republican finals. And this year also we are participating at ICPC, which is International Informatics Olympiad for universities. So wish us good luck. And that's it. That's some information about myself. So
I think you might have forgotten some fun facts about you, or you already shared.
I don't know.
What
What kind
of boring or fun facts you have to share with people? To see your
okay, my first programming language is C++, my favorite language. I think I'm in love with C++. Okay. Sometimes. And what else? And recently I'm enjoying cooking food for myself. So different kind of salads. Okay. Sometimes spaghetti. So it's something besides coding and nerdish stuff.
All right. It sounds great. So now we have Islam back, and I think you can share and speak, right?
Yeah. How's my connection? Is everything okay?
Everything is great.
Okay, so it might be unstable, but I'll try my best to do this in time. So hello, everyone. My name is Islam, but you guys can call me Isa. I'm a freshman from software department. Back in high school, I was doing competitive programming, and as of this moment, I hold multiple different awards and medals from the international competitions. This year, I'm also competing just like the Sapar Murat in ACM ICPC with my teammates from AUCA. By the way, if you didn't know, ACM stands for International Collegiate Programming Contest. If you're interested in my hobbies, I do all kinds of stuff, but mostly I spend my time playing the piano. I applied to Google Developer Students Club to grow as a developer and as a lecturer, to share my knowledge with other students. And I hope this year, here in this club, with the different activities and opportunities that we provide for you, will be very inspiring for all of us.
Also, Islam, want to share your so some of your very ambitious goals in music. Do you want to share that with peers?
Yeah, actually, one of my goals for this year is to also grow as a music composer. But as of now, I'm not that actually, I don't have much experience in this, but I'm trying.
Okay. And also, Islam is preparing some cool stuff which can be produced in the upcoming weeks. So stay tuned. You should definitely participate in that. It's relatable to everyone. So thank you, Islam. The next person is Esen. I saw you, Esen. Yeah.
Sorry, my internet connection is unstable. So, hello everyone. So my name is Esen Beck, and I'm sophomore in the software engineering department. And also I'm a technical lead in this club. So interesting facts about me. So I love to play CSGO. Some of you might know. And also I'm addicted to coffee. So why I decided to join to AUCA Google Developer Club. So I wanted to share my programming experience and grow as a developer at the same time. So Google Developer Student Club was the perfect choice for me. And I have a little bit background about development experience. So right now I'm learning the Flutter programming language. So basically it's you can write just a single code for iOS and Android platforms. So that's basically it. Thank you.
Yeah, and also I want to tell the other guys that Esen is very, very polite and humble and very respectful from how I've been talking to him. So this is also something that you should know. The next person is Oybek, who already shared some slides with you.
So what's up? So I'm here again. My name is Oybek, and then I'm a sophomore in software engineering. So all guys here are just soft students, mainly. So what can I say about myself? My character is kind of stubborn. Like I like what to do with my own idea. I stick with my idea sometimes, but it's hard because you can go in the wrong direction. And then interesting facts, what I like bodybuilding. And also sometimes in soft classes I hate what I'm doing sometimes, to be honest. Yeah, because is there something that's the way I should go? I just question myself. And then I just think about the future and then tell that's rewarding future. For example, if you finish this stuff, you can get some cool benefits, salary, then that's something motivates. So yeah, actually this, and also I have a strong passion in cybersecurity and cyberbezopasnost. It's something like triggered me into this fear. And then yeah, I'm just why I have interest in cybersecurity. It comes from the hacking stuff, but I wanted to change my way into the white way rather than dark way, because it's not like beneficial for anyone. So that's it about me. Thank you for attention. That's it.
Thank you for sharing. I want to say that Oybek, since we are sophomore students of the same year, the way I see Oybek is that he's a straight A a perfect student who meets all the deadlines. Everything is done perfectly. And also he barely talks in the group chat. So when he applied, I was super surprised. So we're very happy to have you as a part of the team. So the next core team member is Darika.
Hi everyone, do you hear me?
Yep.
Okay, my name is Darika. I'm from LAS Mass Communication Department, and I'm in this club because I'm lazy and I'm not disciplined at all, but I love Google. So I want to discipline myself and try something new. So I'm very happy that I'm here. What fun facts about me? Like, okay, I swear a lot, like so, and also like I don't know, I really like having fun, and actually I'm a hedonist. That's why I'm not disciplined at all. I like chilling, but working on it. So that's all about me, I guess. Yes.
Yep. And again, adding up some new facts about our core team members. So what I can say about Darika is that she produces super nice quality essays. We took FIS2 together, and she's a nerd, and she likes taking notes. She likes reading and then participating in discussions. So if you want to get some advice on how to write an essay, we have a core team member. And also she's very honest, at least what I've been for the time we've been working with. She's very honest in how she approaches work. So, and she always asks for feedback if anything is going okay or if anything is going wrong. So that's Darika. Oh, guys, you should have said your team roles. Okay. And now we have Jasmine.
Hi guys, hi everyone. So I'm Jasmine and I'm project management lead of this club. I'm a sophomore student from AMI Applied Math Department. And this year I started having structured programming class. And after this class, I loved programming. So now I'm transferring to software department. I like singing, I like dancing. And so I participate in AUCA Theater Mirrors. So why I applied to be a core team of this club is because I wanted to participate everywhere where I can participate and gain some knowledge, experience, and share maybe my knowledge with other guys. So basically that's it.
Nice. And I also got surprised when I got an application from Jasmine, because she's very mysterious. I think her name can tell you about that. And also, if I'm not mistaken, she's the only girl that let's say a female student that I met from the AMI department. And it kind of feels super weird, but also nice at the same time. And we're very happy to have you as a core team member. So now we have 8 people in the core team. And now it's time to move on to some other things about our club. And the next thing is we're going to talk about the benefits you guys can get by participating in our activities, by joining our activities, and learning with us. And I think Isin or...
No, it's my turn.
Okay.
So, as I previously said, I am a very introverted person. So I joined this club to solve this problem. I want to connect to more people, to meet new people, all that stuff. Because, you know, what actually influenced me to do so, I read a book about how your friends, for example, your communications and all that stuff can help you during your career. It was a book by Dale Carnegie, I think, and he said that no matter what person or who you meet during your career path or something like that during your studies, you can benefit from them because you learn from them. Also, you can share something with them which would be good as for you, as for your, for example, for your friend, or for some people you want to share it with, because when you share something, some information, for example, it gets stuck in your head better, and also it is shared with someone else, so it's good for you both. And I thought, like, why not try and connecting with all the students I meet in the Google Developer Club. I really enjoy it. Also, I really enjoy it, and also it's very beneficial because during this short period of time, I learned so many new things. I learned so many new stuff that is really, really beneficial for me. And I think this program is a perfect opportunity for some people to grow. Actually, being very introvert person, it's more like being a teenager or something like that, when you have your complexes and you are not confident in yourself. But growing up means to be more confident, to to be strong. This is, I think, what growing up means. So I encourage you guys to join our club, because this is a very, very good opportunity for you to, let's say, to grow. Or, for example, we can say that it's a very good opportunity for you to share your experience if you have any, or to gain something else from others. And that's it.
It sounded super, super, super inspirational, to be honest. And just so you guys know, it's not scripted, and everything that we are saying from what we want to share with you guys. It sounded very inspirational. Thank you. And the other benefits do you get if you join our club? Sapar Murat, if you're here.
Yes, I'm here. So as a GDSC club, we are going to hold a different kind of events in campus, also in online, the Zoom meetings, and for example, like in info sessions about different kind of news and new technologies from IT world, and also workshops and hackathons and different kind of events. So we are going to create opportunities to learn in this community, in this environment. So this is it.
Yes. Learning is one of the main components of the benefits you might get when you join our club. Oops. And of course, you're going to grow.
So yeah, the benefit that you will receive in our club is to grow. So in the Google Developer Student Club, so you will grow as a developer by applying new learnings. Also, by advancing your skills and sharing your experience to others. And the key word is to learn and share your knowledge, experience, and because like we all started from the one point, and then we grow it as a developer, and then we should like help to novice developers, students, to make their own path. Good. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so as we already mentioned, you're gonna level up your not only hard, which is software developer skills, but also your soft skills. These include your career, network, and community service. And this is what we're actually doing right now. And there are many things you can learn from us. And it's a very nice place, isn't it? Again, to feel supported, to feel guided, and to have the peer-to-peer learning environment. So, okay, so now Oybek told us about our goals and values of our club. And you have goals, we know what you want to accomplish, but now it's the question how we can accomplish our goals, or what do we do in order to accomplish our goals? So to answer this question, I can divide our, let's say, content into two categories. So the first category is that the programs, Google Developer Student Club, the programs required events, this is what we have. And also the second category is that we have our own ideas and implementations. So the program requires us to have some required events. And those required events include info sessions, hands-on workshops, hackathons, and speaker sessions, building projects and solutions. This is Google Developer Student Club program events. But as I already told you, we also have our own ideas and implementations. And by own, I mean not only the ideas and implementations of the core team member, but also you guys, the community, who can, as I said already, to share their ideas, suggestions, and even some opportunities. Just reach out to us on our social media channels. And now let's talk about a little bit about our own ideas and implementations so far. Our values actually guide us a lot, and they give us that big picture where we don't really limit ourselves in what we want to try. And so one of the things we would like to achieve this year is trying to build extracurricular connection between students and software department professors. I think it's gonna be super cool if students could openly, could have an open discussion, open Q&A with their professors, where they can learn about professors, not as professors who give you the syllabus, who give you a syllabus and then teach you an academic course by putting a grade at the end, but also professors as people, as personalities who have their own background, who have their own accomplishments. So we want to build that extracurricular connection between students and the professors. We want to do talks, maybe workshops, and as I said, some sort of Q&A. Also, one of the ideas we have is having peer sessions. Peer sessions is when students share their knowledge and experience, interests and aspirations. And that is why it was very important to show our core team members that there are people who are interested in many, many other different fields of computer science and software engineering. And so we have incredibly talented people at our university, and we want to build that bridge, and we want to bring up those students who want to share their knowledge and experience and have those peer sessions. I think it would be super, super lovely to listen to some of your peers who are almost of your age, and also share your career or just how to call it, just your aspirations as a human. Also, we want to do some career and networking events. I think as software department students, we have this thing called internships. As a developer, we can start with our internships first, or some people, they don't even have internships, they just start their full-time job right away. But this is one of the things that kind of bothers us a lot. So that is why I wanted, and the program, the club wants to talk about internships. The club wants to do some activities around how to choose your way. Because as a software developer student, you have this path. You can start having an internship, or maybe you should focus on more of academic computer science by thinking about masters and PhD, or maybe you can start just with your industrial programming maybe you can go just right into the industry. So for me, it's very fascinating to be thinking about it, because why not academic computer science? Why not go and get masters? Or it's more beneficial and more useful to go into the industry first, get some experience, industrial, and then maybe do some academic research and works in computer science. Who knows? So that is why I would love to have some sessions with our professors on or some other professionals on these topics, such as internships, masters or PhD, or industry. And also, one of the ideas we have is ideas and also implementations that we're going to do soon is inviting external professionals of great backgrounds. We have professionals, right? They have their own experience and they have great backgrounds. So they can bring inspiration, they can bring knowledge, and if you get inspired and it somehow helps you, it's going to be a huge accomplishment for us. So we will definitely have some external professionals who would come and share their hard skills and some soft skills. So yeah, and as I said, please guys, drop your own ideas and implementations. Tell us what we can do, or maybe you want to contribute. You can be regular contributors, or you can be not regular contributors. You can contribute and you can say, and you can tell us, hey, maybe we should do this. Maybe you could do this. I have this idea. Maybe you could develop that. So it's all up to you. What you want to see and what you want to get, we'll try to provide that. So, as I said, our info session event, online info session event, it was intended to be a very casual meeting, just talking about our club, telling what we want to do, our goals and values. And now it's time for some Q&A with our audience. We have enough people. So if you guys have any questions, and again, ideas or suggestions or clarifications, please do. Or maybe you have some personal questions to our core team members. So if you guys do, please write in the chat or unmute yourself and we will try to answer. And right after the Q&A, we will go to the game, okay? So if you have questions, please ask us, okay? For now, I will stop sharing. Okay.
Yeah, hi. Thank you for the presentation. It was wonderful. I'm happy that we have such an initiative here in AUCA. That's great.
Hi, Arthur. I'm very happy to see you here. For those who may not know Arthur, he's the lead of the C Club that was already sent out via emails, and they participated in the club fair. So, and also one thing to note, is that Google Developer Student Club is launching in the ecosystem of the C Club, and the C is an environment for all the developers of our university. So please, guys, visit the Discord channel, Discord server of the C Club, and maybe go back to your previous emails if you missed them. So, all right. If there are no questions, but if you have questions, you can again reach out to us on social media. And just using that opportunity, I would like to mention what kind of tools we have. This is our main tools for communication with our audience. Okay, Instagram is not to get as many followers as possible or to get as many likes as possible. It's our main tool to stay active, to run our social media active. And so Instagram serves as one of our tools. We try to run it active. And Telegram channel is more like a broadcasting tool to spread some events, announcements. So it's just to communicate with you guys. So it's better to subscribe to them and to join us on the platforms. And also you can email us. Here's our email. If you like using email. So these are tools that we use often in order to better engage with you and get your feedback. And now it's time to play a game. If you guys joined a little bit later, you know that the prize was a t-shirt, a printed t-shirt with a Google Developer Student Club print. So we will have one winner, and then the winner can get the t-shirt. Of course, after specifying the size and everything, we'll try to make someone happy by providing a t-shirt. So now let's play the game. I'm sure that the core team members are not gonna play it, but they still don't know the questions, all questions. So they're not gonna play it. Only the audience is gonna play the game. It's gonna be in the form of the quiz. And Darika is gonna explain everything about the game. Okay?
Hi, guys. Okay, we'll have a game. I will now share the screen. What you need for this game is like you need to take your phone and scan the QR code. But if you don't have an opportunity to scan it with phone, I'll send here the website and code number. So you'll just go to this website and put this number there. Okay, I'm starting sharing. It's like a small quiz. There are not many questions there. So can you please allow me to share the screen? Like, give me permission. Yeah.
Sorry,
Yes. Okay. There are not many, and there are only 2 criteria to win. Of answers. So it will be online. Wait a minute, there are some technical problems. Will not take a long time. This website. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, now we can hear you.
Sorry. So, do you see the screen?
Yeah, we can see the screen. I think you might be having some trouble.
I see people joining. Oh, that's not good. So I cannot hear you. If you was saying something.
Is it really Sharghazi? Or it's Alihan?
So we have 17 people here. So there should be 9 people in this game. 9. 8. Oh no. 9. Okay, sorry. I see only 5. What I like about this quiz is like, even if you don't know the answer, you might know something new, which is really cool. These questions are not very specific. They all connected to technologies, etc. But it's like popular science, scientific questions. So yes. So if you cannot answer something, don't worry, it's fine. I still see only 5 people here. Do you have guys some problems? Maybe I should explain you something how to join it. If yes, please tell me.
Oh, Derek, also you should understand that some people left, so it's okay to have this amount of people. You may just wait for a minute, maybe, and then you can.
Yes, let's wait for a minute and then we'll start.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my God, I've started it. I'm sorry. Let's get started. I'm sorry. Look at your phone. I know you have 45 seconds. I forgot to say it. I see only 3 people answered it. Oh, 6, 7, nice. Let's move on. The right answer was, wait, let me close it. Yes, soft skills is an ability to communicate with people in a manner which helps both in personal and professional lives. There's also a term hard skills, which means like an ability as a professional skills in a narrow sphere. So soft skills are really helpful like in life because it's the way you communicate and find people. So yes. Also, what I want to say about this quiz, no, that's all. let's move on. Next question. Now we see one answer. One big person answered. Five seconds left, guys. Okay, great. Someone didn't answer, but that's fine. Yes, the right answer is father of computing. Yes, Alan Turing, there is a movie about him called Game of Imitation or Imitation Game, I don't remember. But he made very, very many things. He had a Turing machine and automatic computing engine, but unfortunately in 1952 he was oh my god, what's the word, persecuted, yes, for homosexual acts. Yes, that's what that's all about our unjust world, but still he's a great person. Let's move on. What is Google? Okay, I see 7 people answered. Yes, correct. It's a number. It's a digit 1 followed by 100 zeros. And it was the term was made by what's the name? Edward Kastner. Yes, let's move on. 3, 2, yes, nice. Oh, correct. Everyone's correct. Like, yes, this AlphaGo won 9 Dan champion Lysidol in 216, and that's great. Like, it's like I really like the fact that our technology is like in this level. Let's move on. Really nice question, guys. Yeah, it's very hard to understand how to spell his last name. Good luck with it. Yeah, nice, guys. You're right. I just really like his last name. What is the Google effect? Okay. Yes, it's the tendency to forget information that can be found online. And I guess it was this term was created in 2011, if I'm not mistaken. There was an experience, and they found out that people like they forget information really fast because of it. Don't remember anything. Where was Google created? Google company. Okay. It's a rented garage. So in 1998, Larry Page and Sergey Brin together created Google in garage of the rented garage. Do you understand it? It's like it's so cool. I really like this fact. In which areas is machine learning applicable? Okay, everyone answered. Yes, great. It's all of the above, and even more like there in more sphere like machine learning is applicable, but just yes. Nice. Next question.
The third option is very funny, Darika.
Thank you so much. 2 people left. One. Okay. No, it's simply misspelling. Do you understand it? But what I wanted to say, like the first thing, actually the creator of the term Google, Edward Kastner, he wanted to file SU to them, but then he didn't do it. I don't know why, but it's just a misspelling. Where was the first flying car created? Guys, if you want to win, you should be faster. Speed and accuracy, remember. Okay, Japan, of course. And actually, it was created this year, like on September. It can fly for 10 minutes now, but they said that Japanese people said that by 2025, I guess, there will be like flying cars everywhere. So it's cool. What is the feature of artificial intelligence? A tricky one. Five seconds, guys. Okay. Yes, it self-learns to imitate human behavior. Like it's a great difference because like the foundation of it is a neural networking, and that means that the machine, like the program, learns by the data that it has. Itself, it learns, like, yes, self-learning. Oh my God, yes. What is the name of the first high-level programming language? Okay. Yes, nice, guys. It's Fortran in 1957, I guess. Yes, 1957. Yes. And last question. Last person? No, someone didn't answer. Yes, to replace lawnmowers because it's not good for ecology. So from time to time, they bring 200 cows and they just eat the grass. So that's all question. Now we'll see the result. Enkidu was the fastest and had more accurate questions, most accurate questions. So congratulations. Enkidu, please say something so we'll understand who you are. Make a screenshot not to forget it. Nice. So
Yeah, so is Emerlan in Kidu? Oh, okay, yeah. Hi, nice to meet you. Oh, nice to see you. So, well, can we have your, I don't know, your email or anything we can reach out, anything, any way we can reach out to you? Yes.
okay. So you have it now, yes? So thank you so much, guys, for participation. It's like I hope you like this game.
Okay, so I don't know if okay, I don't know if Emir joined just from the start or maybe later, but the prize was the printed T-shirt from Google Developer Student Club. Okay, so it was very nice to see you all, guys, and please invite your friends because, as I said, we welcome all majors and backgrounds, so everyone can join. Please invite your friends and follow us on social media. Do you have any questions? Or we can just end the conference.
I want to say something. Please press F to pay respect.
To whom? Who died? Whatever.
Just like our local meme, you know.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I see a comment that it should have been Alan Zuckerberg. It's all about fact checking it, guys. I'm lazy bastard.
Oh my God. Окей.
But thank you.
Да, спасибо, ребятки, что присоединились. Ждите от нас апдейтов, потому что скоро будут еще некоторые ивенты. Хорошо? Спасибо всем большое.
Что, вообще нет? Any questions? No?